Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular cameras, the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. We'll be evaluating these cameras across different categories to help you decide which one is the better choice for your photography needs. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now let's get started. When it comes to image quality, both cameras offer exceptional results. The Canon EOS M200 boasts a high-resolution 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, capturing sharp and detailed images. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, along with the fast BIONZ X processor, delivering stunning image quality with rich colors and impressive dynamic range. When it comes to autofocus performance, both cameras excel thanks to their advanced technology. The Canon EOS M200 features fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, ensuring your subject is always in focus. Meanwhile, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 offers precise autofocus with its product showcase setting, swiftly transitioning focus from face to object for seamless shooting. If you're into videography, both cameras have impressive features. The Canon EOS M200 supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie capture, allowing you to create stunning high-resolution videos. Additionally, you can use the EOS Utility Webcam beta software to turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 offers 4K movie oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, ensuring exceptional video quality. It also allows for easy live streaming with a single USB cable, making it a great choice for content creators. And there you have it. After comparing these two cameras, it's clear that both the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 have their own strengths and advantages. The Canon EOS M200 offers excellent image quality and versatility, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 excels in autofocus performance and video capabilities. Ultimately, the choice between these cameras depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.